Kanglek Park Students Association President Sukham Vidyananda has vehemently criticized Manipur University, branding it as the most corrupted university. During a protest staged at the university's Vice-Chancellor's gate, Vidyananda demanded immediate end of corruption and bribery within the institution, urging the administration to strictly adhere to established guidelines. He pointed to a specific instance of corruption wherein the current head of the department of a consulted school was appointed as dean, violating the university's ordinance. Moreover, Vidyananda revealed that following the announcement of recruitment process for 2 assistant professors in the Manipuri department, certain faculty members allegedly manipulated the specialization criteria. Consequently, they appointed their relatives who failed to meet the required qualification, raising concerns of nepotism and unfair practices in the recruitment process. Vidyananda emphasized that such actions will inevitably lead the university to the brink of collapse.
Nepotism and favoritism Torkanda, Makui missing the Tony the Toba, Manipur University Labor Rules Act Ordinance Ma'am said, Loy not violate Torkanda, Kushida, the Tony with the Torpo in Mamma Yam Sauna Tare, Mairo Kunaida, Sumba, Yamna Lunagi, Topsata, Nunang, Polkanda, Masi University, the Tori, Tavasum, told over the universities in Nomonomagi, Lakata, and he have a film to me, Masida, Kesena, Mahir, look Amoina, Hiram Silaming, Sanjarakanda, I showed you see Unarakanda, Lady Susicarino, Kamdo, no Haina, what is Hanana Honamatanda, Makoi Aran. To Kupsat Lakana Huran, to Kusan Mayana, Namagita, Yamna Tava, the key to Kachara, Hangonia, Urabahum Kayama, Marima Samna, Pusalaganda, Mahiru Lupsing, character assassinate Tongan of Honor, Isusi, divert Organda, Makoi, Ransing at all, but the Kupsan of Honor, Education, Akamon Kanimtawi, Masida Satariba, Amur Patam, Thomasing as CBI, Humba, Adum, independent body, Amana President, Tigat Lagadi, University Authority, Asway, Makoin Satariba, Amur Pavralo, Nagi Thomasing as Mike Sing, Lam, the Goinam, Adu, Torkani, Masi, Tigat Laganda, Masi, Asuma, Masi. Lakagadi University as a government of one of Tolkani have Hunduni when it comes in.
Meanwhile, a student of Manipuri department, Philem Baleshwar, stated that the incident that occurred today as shameful. He condemned the act of intimidating the head of department by some unknown miscreants at his office, followed by threatening the students of the department. He further condemned the false allegation charged to the department through press notes while they asked for clarification.
Court case like CBI case like from Power to MU no Russian Puro have Sikaro Makalkana Yago, MU Sika Court Karana, Maru Vikaran and Saul, we have the MU no Russian prepare and target in the court, some of the CBI case from the CI, all the center Ozada, Kang homes, the Masano Masamu Lale, Havi Muta, Henana, on Kalaka, and Ozada, Dumbo Ozaga, Satakale, Marie, the ethics of Young the Baduta, the Shino, Madame Duna, Ozasing to Koshilakapuna, what is an minute Hamatam, Dapona, Tajaka, Tongan Chilici, Madishatra, Vito Tomatora, Satana, Ozam, Hong to get the Happy, Masikum Bagito, Masana Masawi and somebody's has a vital. Madiki Tong to put it as a Yazing. I am losing more at the Lanka, this way, the land grabbing a big home, Legumi. Masima was going to the Baki Ranch to the river. Sway Grand Land, Marala, wishing to want to photo and to Masimuk Tasina Yazing.